السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. ما رأيك في الزي المدرسي؟ ما رأيك؟ What What is your opinion? What do you think about school dress? What do you think about school dress? الزي, that means dress, appearance. المدرسية means school dress. Okay. ما رأيك means what is your opinion? What do you think about it? Okay. What do you think about school dress? أنت تستيقظ, you wake up. أنت تستيقظ, you wake up كل يوم, every day. في الصباح, in the morning. You every day wake up in the morning. فتنظف, and you clean, you wash. أسنانك, you clean your teeth. تنظف means you clean. أنظف means I clean. ننظف, we clean. فتنظف, you clean. أسنانك, your teeth. وتتوضأ, and you take ablution. You take ablution. You do wudu. وتصلي, and you pray. وتتلو, and you recite. تتلو, you recite. أتلو, I recite. نتلو, we recite. You recite بعض, a little. بعض, a little. القرآن, a little of Quran. You recite a little from Quran. ثم, then. ترتدي, you put on. ملابسك, you put on your dress. وتنظر, and you look at. في المراءة, you look at the mirror. مراءة means mirror. You look at the mirror. لتصفف, to fix your hair. Okay, to straighten your hair. تصفف means straightening something, making something straight. Then you look at the mirror to comb your hair. We can say combing. Combing means using comb to make hair straighten. All right, to make hair straight, something like that. صفف يصفف. شعر means hair. Then there's a question. ماذا ترتدي يا ترى? Now, uh, what do you think you are wearing? What are you wearing? What you are gonna wear now? That's a question. And the next question is أترتدي الملابس العادية? Would you now wear a normal dress? العادية means general dress. Okay, you're gonna um, put on a uh, what should I say? Al-Adiya means that's going to be normal dress, as usual dress. Are you going to put on uh, uh, an unusual dress as as usual dress? Are you gonna wear an as usual dress? Okay, or aziyal madrasi, or you're gonna put on a school dress, or you are gonna put on a school dress? That's a question. Are you gonna put on a normal dress, as usual dress, or a school dress? That's a question, because this passage is all about wearing school dress. Okay, then the question, the passage is saying, بعض التلاميذ, some students. بعض التلاميذ, some students. لا يحبون, they don't love. Some students don't love. أحب يحب means loving. Some students don't love الزي المدرسية. Some students don't love school dress. ويقولون, they say, إن الأولاد إن الأولاد لا يجب أن يظهروا بنفس المظهر. They say that, some students say that, children or the students, they don't need to be appeared. لا يجب أن يظهروا, they don't need to be expressed, they don't need to be appeared. في نفس المظهر, in a same appearance. يقولون, they say, إن الأولاد means the students or the children or the boys. لا يجب, they shouldn't. لا يجب, they should not, they must not. أن يظهروا, express themselves, or appear themselves بنفس المظهر in a same appearance. نفس means same, al-mazhar means appearance. Those who do not love school dress, they say that no, we don't need to be in same dress. We don't need to be in same dress. Okay, that's their logic. That's their opinion. We all are different. Yeah, that's what the writer is trying to say here. لا بد أن يكونوا. They also say لا بد, we must, يكونوا, or the students must, the students have to be, لابد أن يكونوا. كان يكون means to become, to be. لابد أن يكونوا, they have to be. لابد يكون means they have to be أحرارا, they have to be independent, أحرارا في ارتداء الزي. They have to be independent in wearing dress. ارتداء الزي, ارتداء means wearing, الزي means dress. They have to be independent. They should have freedom. Which dress they have to wear, which dress they would wear. They must have freedom. That's their opinion. ارتداء الزي الذي يعجبهم, that they like. They have to have freedom to the dress, to wear the dress that they love. All right. لابد أن يكونوا, they have to be independent in wearing dress that they love. أعجب يعجب means liking. يعجبهم means they like. All right. When you would change the language of Facebook in your phone from the setting in Facebook, if you change your language from English to Arabic, in the option of like, okay, in the option of like, you will see i'jab. All right. Like means i'jab. Okay. وهناك, and there are also some students من يختلف, those who disagree. من يختلف means those who differ, those who disagree في الرأي, in this opinion. And there are also some students, those who disagree on this opinion مع هؤلاء, with the students, those who do not love. Okay, there are some students, those who uh, disagree with the opinion. Okay, that opinion that they have to be, they have to have freedom to wear the dress, okay, as they like. So what other students are saying, those who are disagreeing, they say that فيقولوا, they say إن الزي المدرسية أفضل. Definitely school dress is better. School dress, wearing school dress is better. أفضل means better. All right. إن الزي المدرسية, school dress, wearing school dress is better. فالفقراء, the poor. فالفقراء والأغنياء, the rich. Poor and rich من التلاميذ means poor students and rich students. يجب أن يكونوا, they all have to be. جميعا, جميعا means all. uh, يجب أن يكونوا means they must be, they have to, they all have to be. جميعا, all have to be. بمظهر واحد, all the rich and poor students must be in one appearance. بمظهر واحد means in one dress, in one dress. عندئذ, and then لا يتباهى. عندئذ means then, and then لا يتباهى الأغنياء. Then if this happens, if everyone, rich and poor students, wear the same dress, then عندئذ, then لا يتباهى الأغنياء, then the rich students will not be able to take a pride بملابسهم الفاخرة, with their expensive dress. If everyone wear the same dress, then rich students, الأغنياء, rich students, لا يتباهى, will not be able to take a pride. They can't show off themselves. They can show off بملابسهم, with their dress, with their dress. Him means their, malabis means dress, with their dress. What type of dress? Al-fakhira, with their expensive, excellent, nice, gorgeous dress. They will not be able to take a pride with their gorgeous dress if they wear school dress. And on the other hand, wala yakhjal, and poor students will not also feel shy. La yakhjal means they poor students will not feel shy من ملابسهم الرخيصة with their cheap dress. On the other hand, if everyone wear the same dress, poor students will not feel shy with their cheap dress. ملابسهم الرخيصة رخيصة means cheap with their cheap dress. And finally, ونحن نريد أن نعبر عن أنفسنا. We want to أن نعبر عن أنفسنا. We always love to show off ourselves. ونحن we want أن نعبر عن. We love to show off أنفسنا. We always love to show ourselves. We love to show ourselves to others. لكن but الزي المدرسية, but school dress لا يساعدنا. School dress do not let us to do this. School dress do not let us to show off us to others. All right. على ذلك. Okay. School dress always prevent us from our showing off. All right. لأننا, because لا نختار, we can't choose, we can't select. اللون, we can select any color. والشكل, we can select any size. الذي نريد, the way we want. We cannot select the color, we cannot select the size, because everyone is wearing the same color. Okay, as a school dress, everyone is wearing the kind of same size, all right, same shape. So there is no chance to choose a dress that I want. Okay, that's what the writer is saying. But ولكننا, but في نفس الوقت, at the same time, if everyone wear the same dress at the same time, في نفس الوقت, at the same time, يؤدي, fulfills it fulfills a purpose. غرضا, it has a purpose, it fulfills the purpose. ونفعا, and it provides the benefit. لمن يرتدي, the person who wear the school dress. Okay, if we wear the school dress, it has a purpose, and it provides what? It provides benefits to the students. Okay, they are not able to they will not be able to show themselves to others with their expensive, gorgeous dress. Okay, that's what the writer is trying to say. So there are two pictures, as you can see here. Okay. فما رأيك? The writer is asking us a question. فما رأيك? What is your opinion? هل تحب أن تظهر هكذا? Do you want to be appeared like this? أم تحب أن تكون هكذا? Or do you want to be appeared like this? Think, the readers. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.